In half a mile.
This is what sheer stupidity looks like. What's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore, and I make that content that's guaranteed to put your ass to sleep. And these guys, well, these guys will get somebody killed. Oh my God, this is really how we're starting off the video. 29 and a 40. Well, it's a beautiful day out. Just supposed to go to some barbecue place in Newburgh with the guys, but unfortunately something came up and I can't go, which kind of pisses me off because the place is really good. So I hope you guys have fun today. I'm like I said, sneaking a ride in early. I'm gonna go hit Bear Mountain and come home. New to my channel, I make my videos on a 2025 Indian Challenger named the Midlife Crisis Mobile.
In 600 feet,
should be a fun ride today. Is that an ice cream truck? God, you don't have a stop sign. Oh, check it out. The name's Lickety Split. Oh, it's a play on words. How about that? Alright, friends. About to get on the I-80 West ramp. Shady 80 here. And, wow, this guy is a complete dumbass.
Turn left onto the I-80 West ramp. Then merge onto I-80 West.
You know what it is? It's the first warm weekend. All the stupid's out. But I will bring you back when I get to Bear Mountain. And just like that, friends, we're here. Bear Mountain, 7 Lakes Drive. A slow-moving vehicle. Wouldn't have it any other way, would we? Would we? Wouldn't have it any other way. Holy crap, I'm coming up the PIP. And, I don't know, man, if these people drank their Haterade today or what was going on. We got dudes with their directional on for miles, friggin' tailgating, like, oh my God. I was like, what is the matter with you people? Take it down a notch. We gotta keep it calm. We gotta keep it friendly, you know, friends. This guy got like a battering ram on the back of his friggin' minivan. You won't need that guy. You're not going fast enough to need it. Yeah, you don't have to twist my arm to come to Bear Mountain. Gonna see a lot of bikes here today. It's a beautiful day. Man, I hit a bump on the PIP, or Palisades Interstate Parkway. When you're 13 miles away from here, that shit was a jump. I did like that Travis Pastrami double bonbon backflip to fakie. Oh, no love, guys? Come on now. Dude with the Indian didn't show another Indian rider the love. See, those guys had the right idea. They were enjoying the curves, having the time of their life. Not like Mr. Mom here. Mr. Mom here is, well, he believes in safety first. Some say he puts water on his cereal, so he doesn't risk using spoiled milk. fighting off a sneeze. No joke, for like 5 freaking minutes. I'm like, don't sneeze inside the helmet. Don't sneeze inside the helmet. Can't make this shit up, can you?
Sharp turns ahead.
Thank you for that. I bet she slows down to a stop for this turn. Minivans aren't made to corner or turn. They just tip right over. Go boom. This is a sharp turn. Are we going to go to a complete stop? Because we're a tool. Let's go this way. Oh, we finally got rid of them, friends. We finally did it. You tell me somebody didn't make this just for us, huh? Just for motorcycles. I mean, hell, the scenery, the corners, the weather. This is not even 11 o'clock yet. It's like 75. Got a lake on your left there. Stop sign up ahead. It is such a beautiful ride, this road. And we're out on 9W, friends. Iona Island Bird Sanctuary. How about that? Put it in sport mode, leave it in sport mode. If you've never ridden an Indian Challenger before, go test ride one in one of their demo days. It's gonna surprise you. The only thing you're not gonna like, the handlebars are too low out of the factory. I had these raised up. They're eventually getting replaced with the bar that comes a little closer to me because, well, I need it. Next Saturday we get mufflers.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Not doing a full exhaust just yet. I don't honestly feel like it needs any more power. But when I'm gonna do the exhaust, I'll do the air filters and have it dynoed so that it runs perfect. I don't want some generic computer tune when you can take it and get it tuned perfectly. And there's only one man that'll be tuning the midlife crisis mobile. The man who broke my heart, never gave me my sweatshirt. For shame, sir, for shame.
Love, exciting and
This is 9W, by the way, if I didn't say it before. And the view is fantastic when you come out of Bear Mountain. Icy pavement zone, huh? Not today. The trees are back. It really is. Man, spring going into summer, boy. It's like the perfect time of year to ride, and summer into fall. Last year, 2025, we skipped fall into winter and we went into an Antarctic lockdown. Oh my God. It was like the first week of December, 6 degrees with 20-something mile-an-hour winds. I was like, guy, take it easy. We got plenty of time for winter. And it just kept pounding us. Pause. We're gonna pass the anchor again, friends. I believe it's over here being blocked by this Ford Exploder. And if you made it this far, I thank you for watching. Drop my videos every Wednesday and Friday at 3 p.m. I hope you'll come back next week and watch a video or two. And if you like it, give it the thumbs up or leave a comment. Oh my goodness. Why did you guys have to ruin the outro? Spandex Spartans. Coming to a busy road near you.